founder of Crossborder Commerce Europe.
The reason why I joined this event is because being the first home and garden version of cross-border commerce and Kingfisher being the second biggest leader in the market in Europe, well, I couldn't miss it.
Came to cross-border for many times already, and this first edition of Home and Garden, I really love the fact that it's so specific to this category. I met new colleagues and peers, and the fact that we can share knowledge but also challenge is a big plus. I will come back home with lots of learning and challenging again my team and see what we can improve in this market that is always changing and so exciting as well. So yeah, really exciting couple of days here.
The winner, Home and Garden, featuring
tonight on the C-Suite event because I have been already here in autumn. It was a great experience, cross-channel talks over different branches with different people. Tonight more dedicated to DIY and e-commerce. I appreciate the talks, the people.
I'm super excited because we're focusing in on home and garden and DIY, and this is why we're here. VitaXL is true furniture home and garden company. Yeah, so it's super excited to be here. So far what I really enjoyed is the pitches that we heard. We heard Vorten speaking, and Vorten is one of the biggest sellers for us as a marketplace in Portugal, and it was excited to see, you know, the challenges they face every day, the API issues that come in, you know, the content issues that come up. So that's the challenge for us also every day.